Maybe I didn't love you quite as often as I could have. Maybe I didn't treat you quite as good as I should have. If I made you feel second best, girl, I'm sorry I was blind. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. Maybe I didn't have you all this lonely time, and I guess I never told you I'm so happy that you're here. Little things I should have said and done, I just never took the time. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. Tell me that your sweet love hasn't died, and give me one more chance to keep you satisfied. I'll keep you satisfied. In every prayer and every song, the community unites, celebrating the birth of our Savior Jesus Christ. Let love like the starlight on the first Christmas morn lead us back to the manger where Christ the child was born. So come, let us rejoice. Come and sing a Christmas carol with one big joyful voice. Proclaim the name of the Lord.
This season we will never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let us be the one to guide us as the Hallelujah starts. Unveil the spirit of Christmas, the always Savior of the world.